Good morning. It's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning. We're in the she shop. Got a busy week ahead. I've got Picket, I've got a birthday party, I got a bunch of stuff, and then I literally came in here and went, I don't know what I'm doing. So, we're going to do something else. I looked around and then found something I want to work on. And it's not sexy, but it's what I'm going to do today. So, this is on the doom pile. Been on that shelf right over there. Right there. For a while. So I had bought like 4 or 5 of these. They were $1 a piece. And this is the last one. This is the last one on the doom pile. So once this one's done, it is out the door. Now all the other ones have been used to make pedestals. So I did like a pedestal this, and I think one was a tray. They were originally $5.99. Oh, scored a deal. That needs to go away. This needs to go away on the front too. This $1 sticker. That's on there a little tighter. But I think I put handles and made a tray out of one of them. At one point. I liked that idea. And I think I had like a broken plate with a, the center post thing. And we did that as well. But right now, this is just going to get painted, and I'm going to do a little bird decal or decoupage on it. Because I have not done just a plate, just like a decorative plate. I have that bird candle for the booth that I thought if I do like a little treatment around the edge, I can stage the little bird in the center of it, and it'll just be a cute little decorative plate. And somebody will be upset because I'll price it separate, and everybody will be like, I wanted it both. I wanted all they have it displayed. Then you have to buy both. You can't even count the number of times that we've had a customer say that. Yeah, there we go. 150 grit sandpaper. I have to get it sanded. So when you buy the raw wood products, they're a mess. They are a mess, y'all. So like you can see, can you see? Maybe you can't. You see how fuzzy it is and like rough it is? You can really see on the back how rough the wood is. It's got to be sanded. You can't see that, can you? I don't know. I don't think you can see it. But it just needs to be cleaned up and sanded. Oh, here. You can see that. Like you can see how rough it is. Definitely textured. I am not priming. I'm going right in with the paint, which is going to trigger some people. I know it is. You go right ahead and prime all you want. I'm just going to go right in with the paint. Yes, it will take extra coats. I don't care. All right. I'm going to run my finger along here. Hang on. All right. Let that dry. Okay, so it has a nice coat of white on it. I have 600 grit sandpaper, super fine grit. It's automotive really that they use it for, but I want to get the front of this very, very smooth. And as you can see, there's a texture. This is a wet, dry sandpaper. Yeah, wet to dry. Wet or dry sandpaper. I'm going to do it dry. And let me just show you what happens. I'm just taking it and lightly. It starts to smooth out. I can feel it. I can feel all that texture go away. So, as sexy as it is, I'm going to sand. Very sexy. I know. I seem crazy. Like 90% of my life. Sand, wait to dry. Sand, wait to dry. Sanding, wait to dry. A little roughness on this side. So I'm going to continue sanding this until I'm happy with it. And then we're going to put some fun stuff on it and make it a pretty plate. Get it in the booth. One less doom project. Okay, so Melon and Katie had sent me these. I think it was Melon and Katie. I don't know whose they are. I think they were that Tim Holtz stuff. And I cannot find these again, but these were my favorite. So these birds that came in a roll of this decoupage tissue paper. And I have cut around this male and female bird in their little nest because it kind of, if I can get him to lay flat, which you'll see it in a second when I do it, kind of goes right around there, and then this is going to go right over the edge. In my mind, it works. So we're going to do that. I'm going to use hard coat, I think. All right. So see, when I lay this down like that, they kind of just sit there right on the edge of the curve. That's what I'm going to do. Nice thick coat here. Just love this paper. I love how it lays down. And then kind of one of my favorite parts is this is going to go a little bit over the edge here, not far, because what I liked about this was when you get the paper wet, you can kind of just tap it with your brush. Do you see how it's tearing? To get the nice ragged edge. And then it just comes right off. And it gives it that more, I don't know, distressed look, kind of a unfinished edge to it, so it doesn't look like you just took a scissors and cut it like I did here with these edges. These edges are more precise than this one. I just like it. Yeah, I should have done that to those edges too. Okay. Then I'm going to have to clear coat the entire top. I like that. They look so cute. All right, we got to glaze this up quick because dinner's almost ready. I need to get this done. Oh, well. Go away. I have a damp cloth and my dark glaze. Let's let that sit for a minute. Get a little dark. And we're just gonna pull it off. And this is just how you like it. Like, I kind of like it dappled. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that dark stuff under there. All right, we're gonna let that dry. Okay, let's flip it over and do the other side. You can see the difference now. White, glaze, white. Let's just do the same thing on the back. I got some black paint on here. It was in my spray box. I gotta get a new clean box to spray outside, and I figured once I did this, you wouldn't really notice it. Okay. It's another Doom project project. Out the door. It's ready for a price tag. My hands are sticky from, I gotta wash my hands, but from the glaze. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna put some birds on it. And it's just a decorative plate to put in the booth or bring to Vintage Junkie. I haven't decided yet. I'm thinking maybe Vintage Junkie. I think I took the last one like this there and it sold right away. So they're different animals. Picket and Vintage Junkie are two different animals. And I don't know why in one area one will sell and in another area it won't. So it's crazy. They're not that far apart. You guys have been with me on quick little jaunts and it's like maybe 10 minutes away, but they're not the same beast. So I think this one will probably go to Vintage Junkie on Monday. So that's everything. That's what I got for you. Another project off the Doom pile, getting a price tag and out the damn door. I am so excited. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junking. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.